Kingdom of Life, a journey through the wild. Life on Earth displays extraordinary diversity and resilience. From dense forests to open oceans, ecosystems operate through complex interactions. This program explores the structures, behaviors, and survival strategies of life across the planet. The African savannah is home to large mammals that shape and depend on the ecosystem. Elephants are ecological engineers. Lions maintain balance as apex predators. Zebras, giraffes, and antelope support food chains and seed dispersal. These organisms form a finely tuned system driven by climate, vegetation, and migration. Rainforests contain the greatest biodiversity of any terrestrial habitat. Constant moisture and warmth create ideal conditions for evolutionary complexity. Species here utilize camouflage, mimicry, and symbiosis for survival. Each layer of the forest, from canopy to soil, hosts unique life forms interconnected by food and function. Polar biomes challenge life with extreme cold and limited resources. Polar bears use sea ice for hunting and rely on blubber for insulation. Penguins exhibit group thermoregulation and efficient aquatic locomotion. Survival depends on seasonal changes and energy conservation. Deserts, though harsh and arid, support life forms adapted to extreme scarcity. Organisms here exhibit physiological and behavioral adaptations to conserve water and regulate heat. Camels are among the most highly specialized mammals in arid environments. Their physiological adaptations include the ability to tolerate dehydration, regulate body temperature, and store fat, not water, in their humps, which provides energy when food is scarce. Nocturnal species like fennec foxes and scorpions remain hidden by day, emerging under cooler temperatures. Succulent plants store moisture, while reptiles and insects utilize burrowing and reflective surfaces to survive. Despite limited rainfall, desert ecosystems maintain complex food chains shaped by resilience. Marine ecosystems span coral reefs, open oceans, and abyssal plains. Corals build reefs that support thousands of species. Marine mammals, such as whales and dolphins, play crucial roles in nutrient cycling. Beneath the waves, adaptations include bioluminescence, streamlined bodies, and echolocation. Crocodiles are apex reptiles with origins tracing back to the Mesozoic era. They use stillness and stealth to ambush prey with explosive force. Their sensory organs detect vibrations through water. These reptiles remain vital to aquatic food webs and ecosystem regulation. Temperate forests and mountains house species with specialized seasonal behaviors. Bears undergo periods of dormancy to conserve energy. Wolves display coordinated hunting and pack dynamics. Birds of prey exploit thermal air currents for efficient travel and hunting. These regions demonstrate the adaptability of organisms to varied climates. From mountaintop to ocean floor, life exhibits complexity, interdependence, and adaptation. Studying these systems enhances our understanding of biodiversity and our role within it. Thank you for joining us on this scientific exploration of Earth's living systems.